Hey there, in this quick specs video, I'm going to compare the C400 with the C300 by Xiaomi. So let's start. Now, when we're going to look here, we can see the resolution is better for C400. You're going to have 2.5K there. Night vision is better for C300. Then you aperture, I didn't get for C400, so I can really say which one is better there. Lens are the same. Then when you're going to look here, the field of view is better by only, like, not much, but it's better for a little bit for C300, but even in this regard, I would say it's similar. Then video codec is same, audio same. Then AI features, you're going to have it better for C400 because you're going to have also the tracking there. Then you're going to have privacy features same. The operating temperature C300, not comparing to C400 by 5 degrees. Then you're going to have the storage. This is also better for C300. Connectivity C400, you're going to have 5G here. Then dimensions is a tie. Weight is just like a little bit better by C400. Voice accessibility and installation is similar. Then you're going to have special features that can possibly be for C300. And that's pretty much it. So clearly, as you can see, when we're going to look here, that with the C400, you're going to have better resolution. But with the C300, you get better night vision, better field of view, just by a little bit. With the C400, you're going to have better AI features. Here, storage, you're going to have C300. C400 is better in connectivity. Then the weight is better for C400. And then you're going to have special features is better for C300. So definitely check there both sides and look there for the features, which one you like more. I just wanted to make this a quick video. I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value. I just wanted to share the specs for you. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.